Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment down below. So today I have some exciting news. I am moving into a new suite. I started moving. I was gonna move on Monday. Today is Sunday, so I'm just gonna start. Yeah, I'm pretty much gonna take everything. So right now I'm heading to my old space where I currently work because I have a client, but I just wanted to get a head start and start moving. I'm about 4 blocks away from my old location, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Let's go. So this is my old space that I'm at right now. It's in a little bit of a mess. Just want to show you guys where I was working before. No one thinks it's a bathroom in here. That is actually so funny. The back. All my stuff that I am moving with. These are some gifts that people who love me purchase off my wish list. And the moving is not going to be hard. This table is not attached to this, so I just gotta clear off my table, clear this out, pack this. I don't want to unpack the drawers. I want to pack them as is to make my troubles less easier. I may just request an Uber and put these two in there. And I have my makeup travel suitcase underneath here. These are where my dirty brushes go. I have puffers in there because I washed them in the washing machine. So yeah. Wow, and they just wallpaper, so never hate me. My elite employee. You're doing such a great job, sweetie. Wait, I thought it came with a little... So this is the space, guys. I got one over here, another here, another here. Cabinet. So I'm just trying to decide where my vanity should be. And yeah. Yeah, need that. Yeah, this looks like shelves. Alright guys, so this is what everything looks like. Yeah, it's a mess in here. Alright guys, this was my old space. Alright guys, it is day 2 of moving. So I received some more packages off my wish list. So I'm about to go to my shop. It's a nice size room for myself because every other suite that I got, I used to share them. So I'm unboxing my wish list. We need to normalize business showers. Alright, this is my wallpaper. I might do this tomorrow. I don't know what this is. Oh, these are the clear shelves. I don't know what this is. Oh, I know what this is. I have a new table mat. I know what this is. This is a Roku remote. Yeah, if I show y'all this mess right now, I don't even know how I'm about to transform this room. It's a mess. I was working for 12 hours, more than 12 hours straight yesterday. I was so tired. I was just like, I'm not gonna come in. I was like, no girl, like, the job needs to get done. Okay. I got a Roku TV and a Roku remote. Please tell me it has batteries. Okay, good. Okay, I don't know if the Roku TV doesn't work or it's this outlet. Oh, it works. Y'all, we must be watching baddies in here. It's about to be a movie.
Well, my bad bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. Yeah. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be
high volume.
Bitch, okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the Soul Snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, fuck them. And fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker. Yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. That real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust out, and you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb me.
Makeup, this is me. Me going to beat body bag. Period.
Run up on big glow, you won't. I bet your ass be on the floor. Big carpet here like Mayweather. Tula come through and blow a hole. Got millions out that rap shit. They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming. Fuck 'em, I stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just start you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just burn you. Dead glow, stomp a little pussy, the whole piece from shell toes. Dead glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail hoe. Dead glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails hoe. Dead glow, no competition, these bitches fail hoe. Dead glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers hoe. Dead glow, say they get money, but I can't tell hoe. Dead glow, keep running circles around these snail hoe. Dead glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail hoe. Get glow, where you been at? Mine, everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood bitches motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Get 'em glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get 'em glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get 'em glow, stand on business and need Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on Tango. Stomp a little pussy, hoe get some shell toes. Tango. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Tango. Two-tone Cartier match the nails, hoe. Tango. No competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Tango. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Tango. Say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Tango. Keep running circles around these snail, hoe. Tango. And my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe. Tango.
If there's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. Nirvana's not, it's advertised. There's got to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. If karma's really real, how am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong.